Holy moly, guys, I found another one. Welcome back to Investing for Beginners community. I'm your host, Johnny, and I have found another company that pays a solid dividend, has a 22% dividend yield. Yeah, that is not a glitch or misspoke or typo. That is 22%. They pay $7 dividend rate a year, and it's only a $30 company. Now you're like, whoa, what's going on? This is crazy. Well, it's a company called Torm, and we're going to talk all about it. All that I ask is that you smash that like button and subscribe if you aren't already. I'll never sell you anything or ask you to buy anything. All that I ask is you get something to drink, grab you a snack, and let's deep dive into this fabulous company that only has the potential to go up even more. So guys, I was hanging out looking at my Seeking Alpha subscription plan here. It's an awesome plan, guys. If you haven't seen Seeking Alpha, you definitely need to give it a try. Go over there, create you a basic account. Very basic account. It's free, and check out this platform. Now, if you want to get into some of these, you're definitely going to have to pay for the premium plan. Now, I do have a discounted link below that you can get involved in this Seeking Alpha premium subscription plan. Man, there's a lot of great benefits. Real quick, you can get unlimited access to premium content such as alpha analyst ratings, alpha analyst performance, quant ratings, and dividend grades. Now, there is a lot more in there, along with your limited access stuff for basic with no payments. You get all that on top of the premium plan. There's even a pro plan for some of you advanced traders out there who want to take even a deeper dive into your stock analysis. So, with that said, click the link below after watching this, sign up, and get started with Seeking Alpha. I do take a small commission fee or affiliate fee because I am a partner with them, but it's awesome and it comes with no extra charge to you. So guys, let's get back to Torm, or TRMD. Everyone's probably already wondering, what's Torm? What's Torm? What is this that's 22% dividend yield, has a market cap of 2.7 billion, and has a pretty modest stock price of only $30. Now, there is an SA analyst rating buy 3.57, a Wall Street strong buy rating of 5, and a quant strong buy rating of 464. Now, factors giving it that grade is a valuation of A+, growth of A, profitability of B+, momentum of B, and revisions of B-. Now, this is a energy sector stock. Yes, and it's in the oil and gas storage and transportation. Now, why would we go for an oil company? Well, again, it's not oil. It's oil and gas storage and transportation. It's kind of different. It's not oil rigs, but it's transporting. Now, they do have a safety of C+, but 3 months ago it was a B-. They have a growth of A+, a yield of A+, and a consistency of F. So we'll get into the consistency there because that is a huge red flag. Now, Torm goes ex dividend on Monday. Now, Seeking Alpha versus Wall Street. Seeking Alpha rating is a 3.57. They have 1 strong buy, 3 buy, 2 hold, 1 sell, whereas there's only 1 analyst from Wall Street giving it a strong buy. Now, what are the bulls saying quickly? Torm has a massive dividend that has moderate levels of coverage in Q4. Shipping capacities will remain constrained for the near future to maintain charter rates elevated. Another analyst is saying that dividend yields north of 20%, excellent management, solid fundamentals for the product tanker space due to low order books and geopolitical dislocations, right? The war with Russia and Ukraine, a lot of things going on the other side of the countries. I'm not sure where you're watching from, but we're in America, and so we see it, but not so much of a whole disconnection, right? We still are getting oil from different people. Now, another bull saying TRMD has very attractive, well covered 15 to 20% yields, low leverage, no debt due until 2028. So, technically, you can get in with this company and assume or know that you or the company won't have to start paying any of those debts until 2028, which is literally 4 years from now, guys. So it's a great company to get involved in. I think at the moment, do your due diligence, check it for yourself, watch more videos like this, and we're going to take a deeper dive as well. Now, if you watch until the end of the video, also, we're going to check out Robinhood. That's one of the brokerage accounts I use. You could sign up with the link below to get your free share as well. But we're going to go over TRMD as well in there. Some key features here is their revenues is insane. They're at 1.38 billion in revenues as of December 24. Earnings per share, they're at 2, which is great. Okay, we like to see earnings per shares that are actual. Well, this is estimated to. Their actual was actually beating their estimated at 1.41, which is awesome. If we go up here, they're at 440%. Let's look at their ratings, which you already saw, their financials. You look at their income statements. If you guys want to pause this, you can. For some of you people that want to kind of, guess, nerd out a little bit on some of these extra numbers. I do look at some of the numbers, but Seeking Alpha has so many features that a lot of it gets condensed down right here for you on this bar. Announce date for earnings. They beat their earnings by 24 cents, beat by $122 million, which is fantastic. Their dividends right now, they have a C plus for safety, but an F because the company track records for paying consistent dividends is not quite there. Now, they do have a 71% payout ratio, and they're going to be paying $1.46 on December 5th, but you would have had to own the company by 11/21 or sooner. So I'll be looking for that next dividend payout. Revenue growth 33% year over year. Their EBITDA is looking great. Their operating cash flow is amazing. I mean, this is great, guys. And Seeking Alpha really does break it down for you. That's why I like to use it. That's why I do have the premium subscription. Because you won't get these grades without that premium subscription. You may get some of these numbers, but you may not even get some of these tabs available to you. So definitely I would sign up with the link below if you want to get some of these charts. Now you can compare it to the S&P 500. It is slightly down. Now they are down 2%. Now I won't invest in companies that are down, but if you look here at the 5-year, TRMD is up 437% in 5 years. So they're slightly down for the year, but they can be down 300% and still be up 137%. So definitely wait for your opportunities to buy here with this company. Do your research and watch more videos. Now, if we go over to Robinhood, look at that. That chart it looks beautiful. 414% in 5 years. They're up $24. You could have bought this company in 2018 for $5.95. Now, I still haven't told you what exactly they transport, but what they do is they engage in the business of transporting clean and dirty petroleum products. It operates under the tanker and marine exhaust segments. Now, they're headquartered in London, so this is a company on the other side of the world from where we are in America. Founded in 1889, so they've been around for a long time. And their max life, they were only listed in 2017. So, I mean, they have a lot of money. They've been around for a long time, but we're only hearing about it now because they were listed on a public market. Okay, I'm sure there's plenty of private owners in this company. Now their market cap's 2.67 billion with a PE ratio of 3.74, a dividend yield of 21.96%. So you might as well just say 22% dividend yield. Average volume 744 with a volume of 377,000 last trading day. They have a buy rating of a 100% out of 6 ratings. And right here you can see their earnings slightly beating their estimated. Right here, it looks like their actual was 142, estimated is 130. So they did beat that here, which is great. And you could replay earnings calls on Robinhood. I'm sure Seeking Alpha, if you look into it, they have that feature as well. But this is where I would buy the actual stock. So I'm going to put this on my watch list because this is just amazing. Can't believe we found this company today. I'm going to put it in high yield growing stocks. And if you guys want to see my high yield growing stocks, you can definitely leave a comment below and request that, and I could bring that playlist up for you. As far as that goes, Torm seems like a company that you really are gonna want to pay more attention to. It's unfortunate we missed the 414% gain, but it is up 10% in 3 months, up about 1.5% in a month. So there is potential. I might wait for it to pull back a bit, maybe to the $28. If we look at the 5-year, it looks like it could even get as low as $22 again, 25 or about 27. I'd say between 25 and $27, I would probably find that point to buy in to get a good value on the company. So, yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed. Smash that like button, subscribe, and hit that little bell so you know when I make another video. Thanks for watching, and I hope that you get started on your investing journey today. So that way when I see you in the next video, you can comment below and tell me all about it. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.